Eu trago na balança o peso dos meus erros. Me perdoa, esqueça tudo que eu falei. Posso até fingir, mas todos sabem que eu te amo. No silêncio da noite, o teu nome eu chamo. Eu acredito que vai mudar do pensamento. O mar não levou todo o meu sentimento. Oh, mamãe. Oh, mamãe, meu amor. Maneke, taloma mbongita tandile. Maneke, wisamoke na yomondo. Maneke, taloma mbongita tandile. Maneke, wisamoke na yomondo. Nzato amokene. Nzato amokene. Olulendo lwami mfene kombwa. Kombwa kwangi mono sei waka. Bantevele mono bosi munzila. Kondolo muntu yabo besa o mambo meto. Kiampilo solele ya jubulo ntima ya songese pasi. Onlembo vokalwele ko kanganga webunda. Ukomisi se pese vazando diansusu. Dodo kolo diaku. Dodo kolo diaku. Kazi Pedro sozinho, kwame. Enzola inkotolo mutima, nzakanene kwame. Kondolo diambo dia vova, kondolo diambo dia vanga. Kwame moni. Yelo kuna bata, ke Luvila kani kolo kofi. Lwata kuna ntolo lapi, utayolela twa bava. Nambo meto. Oh, mama, maneke, taloma mbongita tandile. Maneke, wisamoke na yomondo. 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 Maneke, taloma mbongita tandile. Maneke, wisamoke na yomondo.
Izambote, Peluka, Ndinga, Kikongo. Ndinga, Kintinu, Kongo, Kotila. Welcome, we're going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much, Tata David, Tata Allen, Ngwatariwa. Thank you for your time. It is Sunday, right? This is our identity, you know? We are Congo. This is our language. We have to do our best to keep it alive. Thank you. Tutondele. We're going back to Luvila. Okay, before I display my slides, question, Tata Allen.
Yes.
Luvila means genealogy. I'm answering the first top question to make it easy for you.
That is correct.
Genealogy, we have both sides, mom and dad. So what do we call it? What do we say? How do we say mom's dad in Kongo? Matrilineal, clan. The name in Kongo begin with K.
Oh, you talking about Kanda?
Well done, yeah. Kanda. Kanda means my mom. We don't know what. Okay, then we have the other side. That clan called in Kikongo.
Kise.
Oh, well done. Oh, bravo. I'm proud of you. Yesterday I was teaching this lesson. I mean, I did hide it. I was a bit emotional, no? Because how could these people not knowing genetics that time? Can you imagine Tata David? How did they make? I mean, I don't this mind boggling, you know. I don't know why, how they did it, but it is genetics because as you know, Egypt science is from Egypt, you know. They did things according to their own way, but nowadays we're discovering bit by bit because we have microscope, but the new science. So this is genetics, Congo Kingdom. Well done. So Kanda, my mom's matrilineal, mom. Then Kise is my dad clan. Guess what? Kise means your dad's Kanda. Yeah, because here we're talking about ladies. Ladies. Okay. Let me just introduce a new concept. Tata, never tell you, are you okay?
Yes.
Yes. Kise. But Congo, before feminism, we value, we know who woman was. See? I'm not sorry, no offense, but we were not civilized, yeah? We were not. I remember there was a lady, was a French minister, lady from Senegal, French lady, African lady. Once on TV, she was very, very angry. You can't use that word. Civilization was civilized. You didn't come to. Okay, I have to stop there. So when you see the concept of Luvila, you can see who our forefathers were, you know, ancestors. Yeah. Today we're introducing. Keep in mind that you would understand everything now. Kanda, mom, dad, Kise, that side, which is her mom, Kanda as well. That Kanda. Okay, today we're introducing, we call it Gikongo Kinkai. Kikaka. Kaka being grandfather, grandmother. Kikai, quote unquote, we could say grandfatherhood. I'm just trying to make you understand the concept. Kinkai. Keep the same notion in mind. Keep some thought. Lady, Kanda. Okay, thank you very much. We're going back to the origin, you know, before they went to Africa. Sadly, we lost everything, you know. We lost everything. We lost everything. And by the way, there was a Cuban guy. Of course, he's from Cuba. Cuba. He was a soldier that came to Angola in 80s, 70s, mid 70s.
Is this Fidel Castro?
No. There's a young man. Somehow, get this. I mean, this oral transmission said, oral transmission with the forefather didn't write, but from mouth to mouth, he knew Iskanda. He knew the name of Iskanda. That was enough. Because to the Kongo, forget man. I know kiss is fine, but as long as you know your Kanda, you go. He knew Iskanda by heart. So he was working in Rwanda, soldier, but he knew that it was Congo. Then he used to talk to people from the Congo tried us. I mean, he found out that that's Kanda, because Kanda is related to, when you say village, the concept of what is a village? Village is great, and let's say 4 great. They live in same land. They got the son and the son. I mean, you got the 4 generation. Let's say 4 generation. Grandfather, the son, then the son of mom. Oh, sorry, let me just put it. I don't want to confuse. Let me just put on here. First generation. I'm going to display it. So this man, he knew his Kanda. He knew there was Congo. He used to mingle with the Congo tribe. Us. Just by knowing the name, they could trace the, because the Luvila, let's say I'm Kilungo, but people can say that this Kanda name, generally speaking, those people are from the XY village. See, he knew that. Then they traced that the person was from Damba. Damba is one of the county in Angola. See, north. He never went back to Cuba.
Oh, wow.
No, never
you're
went
saying
back to
that,
Cuba. Sorry?
so you're saying that this man grew up in Cuba. Then in the late 80s, he came as a soldier in Angola to
In
fight
mid
in
70s, yeah, he came as a soldier in Angola,
but he knew his Kanda.
exactly, that's what we were talking in the background. To the Congo people, your name is fine, but as we learned last time, your name, see how important it is to know your Kanda, see? Your name, you are, what is your name? Okay, but I want to know who you are. Who are you? If you say Kanda, okay, the trace is Kanda, I went then, I mean, to ask the Congo people, as long as you say Kanda, I ask you some key question. I really don't care if you went to America. I don't know how many generations you are. I know you are my blood. See, we knew that before the new son genetic. I mean, those are our forefathers that went to. Let me go back to the same story. I mean, it's emotional. Had they known the Kanda, can get this? Get this. Had all of them known the Kanda, wouldn't be where we are. You know. You wouldn't need to go to, how do you call it? They do in the US DNA test, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you wouldn't need that. No, not at all. Just tell me what is your Kanda, and I will know who you are. Who you were. Okay. That's fine, yes. I think that should be okay. I'm just trying to display my. Now it's there. Genetics among the Congo, in Congo, ancient Congo kingdom.
Okay,
Ntekelo, oikuse ntekulu.
Tata Alan.
Sorry?
Sorry, Tata Mbanzu, do you want to greet my mother? She said she wants to greet you.
In Kikongo, Gambo.
In Kikongo, yes.
I'm going to try. Maybe I forget.
Okay.
Tata what?
Mbanzu.
Tata Mpanzu, mavimpi maku.
Kwa mwana ya ngwidi Kikongo, mavimpi mama, mavimpi. Tuna Gambo te?
Tunakiambote.
Pacifico. Okay, we're going to talk later. Yeah, we are live now. Sorry,
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
also to. I don't ask
Thank
question,
you
a
very
personal
much.
question. To turn there, yeah. Wow, wow, that talent. Did you get that?
Yeah.
She's Congo, you know. Okay, where were we? Okay, Ntekelo, Ntekulu. Some people say Ntekulu, Ntekelo. You say potato, I say potato. We're talking about something. Ntekelo, Ntekulu. Okay. Grandson, granddaughter. But we want to use the word because when we say granddaughter, we don't mean it in the Western way, see? Mm. Granddaughter in this case not the same. It is in a way, but not. We don't mean the same thing. Why am I saying that? Because let me just go step by step. I don't want to rush. Mm-hmm. Darling, can you read first, please?
Sure. I am Ntekolo. Why? Why? Because of mom's dad and dad's dad. In reality, I am Tekolo from the moms of these grandfathers.
Is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah. Yes. Okay. A man take a law. I mean, we talk about Congo concept. Be careful. A man take a law from my mom's mom. No. See, the reason I'm saying that we shouldn't take it as in English, you know. In the Congo tradition, I'm not take a law. In this context, I'm not take a law from my mom's mom, from Makanda. Uh, we can flip it over the other way. We are not. I'm not taken from my kise, from my dad's mom lineage. Is it clear? So basically, we're looking for ladies, lady. We have a lady, mom. I have that blood. We're talking about genetic. We have that chromosome, yeah. From mom. Ladies. Then from that side, from his mom, I have a mom. Mom's blood there, lady man blood. Am I clear?
Mhm.
Is it too fast? Okay, let's put this way. Just remember Kanda. We said that Kanda is my mom. Mom. Then Kise, which is my dad's side. Kise means, bracket Kise is my dad's Kanda. Do you get that, Tata?
Mhm.
Yeah, Tata.
Yep.
So we're chasing for ladies. We're looking for ladies. Hmm? We're looking for the genes from ladies. Basically, we have 4 genes in our body from ladies. So from mom is done, from Kisse, mom's dad is done. But we have to go further because we have from mom's dad. What about his dad? Do you get that, Tata? What about the dad's dad? We need to get something there. This is what we see on the screen. This is the answer. So we're jumping 3 generations, I think, yes.
Okay. Yeah. I got it.
So Kanda, let me repeat, very important. Kanda, mom, this is done. Kise, it is ma dad's Kanda. Yeah, clear. So we basically we're looking for ladies. All the ladies involved are my blood, let's say that. So we done with mom, that is mom, then dad's mom is done, Kise. But what about dad's dad? We have a mom's dad, Kise. What about dad's dad? Is it? Yeah. Dad's dad and mom's dad.
Okay.
This is what we see on the
No.
screen. Is it clear, Tatan?
Mhm.
No?
I
Tata
mean,
David can help us. Tatan needs help.
no. I got it. I understand the concept. I mean,
Yeah.
because when it says, I'm thankful from these moms, from the moms of these grandfathers, then it simplifies it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. See here, mom's dad. Hmm? I mean, mom's dad. Dad's dad. I mean, we're talking about that. Yes,
Mhm.
dad. My dad. My kid says my dad's mom. But what about his dad side? Hmm?
Mhm.
This is what was seen here. I mean, take it from because my mom's dad. Mhm. Yes, my mom's dad. Is it clear the text? My mom's dad and my dad's dad. You know, I'm taken from the moms of this grandfather. Mm. I think there's a mistake. Is it? Let me say, mom's dad. Okay, mom.
Would it be two
Okay, let me remove my. I want to make it easy for you. If you're watching, thank you very much. Bear with us. Bear with me. I need to check something. Then make it easy for that. You need to understand that. Okay, dad's dad. Hmm. Dad's dad. Mom's dad.
Mhm.
Let me just try to share this.
What's the best translation of the word tekolo? Is that descendant or is that son specifically?
Good
In other
question.
words,
I don't know the translation. You lose, you lose everything. You know. How do you translate? Ntegele is a grandson, granddaughter, but in this Luvila concept, I don't know. You can't translate it because it is Aba Congo, the way we perceive things. You know. Mm.
mhm.
Okay.
Would you believe that I had a sister, 95-year-old sister? This concept, yeah, on this
Mhm.
one, we're not talking about English sister, but blood of the blood of blood. I'm getting that. Satan, is it clear this one? I think it simplify, yes, because my dad's dad side we're talking about, and my mom's dad side, yes,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Mhm.
Satan,
Yeah. Can you hear me? Yes.
yeah, is it clear? Yeah.
Yeah.
When we talk about Ntekelo, we're talking about this Ntekelo, Ntekulu. Mm. So we are looking for let's put the female blood on this side, see? Because dad is male, of course. His dad is male, but we discover a lady after that. Yes, this lady, blood, which is Kanda, this is your Kikai. Confusing.
No, I'm not. No, I understand.
Yeah, right, very good, very good. Because dad, in English we say is it granddad, yes?
Yep.
Granddad, grandfather, grandfather's mom, yes? Is it clear? Grandfather's mom, yes. Grandfather's mom. Then same thing here. So female. Now this is your kinkai. Kinkai. I think my slide was not clear. The previous one. Kikai. Or you could say kikaka, meaning kaka. Grandfatherhood. I mean, I'm just inventing expression. Yes? Yeah. Well done. Yes, any questions?
No.
Yes.
So either one of these is correct, Kinkai or Kinkaka.
Common Kikai. But when they say Kikai, they mean Kikaga. Yeah. But I think it rhymes well with saying Kikaga than Kikai than Kikaga. I don't know. Yes. Let me just remove. Don't read this, I'm going to confuse you. I think the other one is easy. This Portuguese. Okay. Kinkai means Kinkai, Kaka. Can you read the English, please?
Sure. The children of the maternal grandfather's sister could marry the granddaughters of their maternal uncle. Only those belonging to maternal uncle daughters, not from his sons.
Okay. Let me see. There's a technical issue. I need to check that. Coming quickly. Where is it? Back in 2 seconds. Don't worry. I'm here.
Children.
I'm back. I'm very sorry. If you are watching, we say sorry. This TV, no? If you are producing this stuff, just one person's fun. Yes. Is it clear? I'm going to tell you.
No, it's not clear. It seems confusing.
Take note. Ask mom.
Okay.
She's going to explain. Let me just.
She tried to explain this to me, but it was too
Yeah.
confusing.
Is it clear, Tata David?
No, not entirely.
No.
To be honest.
Let me just give you a practical example. My mom's maternal uncle. Is that exactly what happened to my mom's maternal uncle is married to his maternal uncle granddaughter. Did you get that? Okay, let me just give you an example from the Bible. Isaac was married to Abraham brother's granddaughter. Yeah, Tata Davis, I think I'm correct. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. This is what happened in the past. I mean, people among us, Congo, this was. Yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
Sorry?
It makes sense now.
You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah.
It makes sense. A little bit. It makes a little more sense.
Yes. Be alright, I'm going to ask some questions. I'm going to put.
But what about the last part where it says, but not his sons? Only those belonging to maternal uncle's daughters, not from his son.
Yes, yes, because we're talking about Kanda, remember?
Yes, we were talking about the
We're,
maternal.
we're talking about Kanda here.
Okay.
I understand your question, but I don't want to make it too hard. Just this should be enough. That's not every. Are you okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. You don't need to know more about me. This is only those belonging to maternal uncle daughter. I mean, the granddaughter's mom is maternal uncle mom only. Mm?
Hmm.
Granddaughter's not from his son. I mean, not from the boy. See,
Mm-hmm.
Catalan?
Yes.
Sorry, confused. Let me just, can I try to simplify that? Okay, we get
No,
to
I mean, I understand it from the concept of
Congo.
that's how the Bakongo kind of kept, they kept the bloodline within the Bakongo people, where
Yeah, yeah,
they didn't go outside of basically within the kingdom, because at the time people lived pretty close to one another. So
yes,
when they
yeah,
talked
yeah,
about villages, they were within, a nice walking distance. It wasn't like it
yes.
is today now,
No,
where
no road, just paths. Uh,
Hmm. Hmm.
like walking. I mean, the good picture is the Amazon forest. Imagine can you imagine those tribes
Yeah.
just in the bush? How? I mean, they didn't marry, but how? They couldn't travel, but just there in the village, there were rules.
you know what, it would be nice to visualize this. If there was some kind of some
Movie.
well, no, what I mean is
Well,
just
a
some kind of
chart.
a diagram,
Yeah.
a chart that kind of,
Yeah.
if we
Okay, you
had,
want me to do? I can do. I can do that later, next time. Yeah.
yeah, I think that will make it a whole lot easier than the text.
That's
Easy
true. To be
because I
able to
thought.
visualize it. That's true.
Okay, you mean something like this?
Yeah.
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 Ah,
Something
okay.
like that.
Sorry. Okay, thank you. Mhm. Okay, last reading. Tata Dev can help us.
Yeah. Only mom's father's kanda and dad's kanda. Because mom's kanda is yours and dad's mom's kanda is your kise.
Okay, test Tata Ale. What are we talking about here? This paragraph. We were just talking about this, and we're talking about Kinkai.
Kai. Okay.
Yes, well done. We're talking about Kinkai. Yes. Okay. Let me just try to make it easy for you. Mm, yeah. Give you true. Let me move this. Oh, this is the last slide. Next slide. Last. You're doing well. Good students, you know. That's you're brave, you know. Mm. You remember Gikai? Remember Gikai? Can two people from different Luvila, two people from different Kanda, can they have the same Kikai? Is it possible? I don't know, a hard question. Is there? You can see. Just to is a
Yeah, I
hint.
would think that happens often.
Yes. Yes. Why? Let me. This is not the. Can't see. Okay. You can see my mouse.
Yes.
Yeah. There's no pointer here. See, this is me. It's me. This is me. This is my mom. Real name. Yeah. This. Mm, I don't use grandma. Let's use my mom. Yes, because like in Hebrew, Hebrew language, we don't read the granddad. That is that. Yes.
Mhm.
When we say that, everything is that. Mm. King Babylon, King of Persia. That okay. We'll move from that. That. Okay. That's what I'm saying. I'm using the same. Try to use the same expression in the Congo context. My mom's mom. Yeah. This is my mom. This is my mom's mom. We know what does it mean. Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We know. We know what they're talking about. Okay. Kikai is here. Hmm? This is my grandmother's husband. Again, same. We know what we're talking about. Same principle, same kind of language we're using still. So this is. Can you follow that? Kakavila. Basically, my mom's father. Yes,
Yes.
my mom's father. Yes.
So what's the difference? So when you're saying Nkaka Yakala, what's the difference?
Ankara yakala. Uh, male granddad. Kaka yakala. Yeah.
So
But
it's the same thing, right?
about no. So I missed that. Same thing as.
Meaning, because here you're saying Kaka Kavila
No, this is
versus.
a real name. Real name.
Oh, that's the real name. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay,
This
okay.
is granddad. No? This is
Yeah, yeah.
Kaka granddad. This is my real name.
Okay.
This is my grandmother real name. This is my mom's name. Of course, this is me.
Okay.
Question. We talk about Kikai. The question was, can two people from different kanda can they have the same Kikai? Tata David say yes. Good answer. Why? I'm trying to explain. Tata get this. My this is Mr. Let's call put it into English. Mr. Kavila, yes?
Because he had
If
more
I
than
had a
one wife.
second, sorry?
Does it mean that he had more than one wife?
Yeah, from the, you got this. See, from second wife,
Oh, okay.
from
So they have the same
second wife, another
husband.
daughter here, from different kanda, but the Kikai will be the
It's
same.
the same.
Katana,
Yep.
you are going to lecture us next time on Kikongo Kikai. Katana. I want to be the lecturer. I want to teach us, yeah? Katana.
No, I mean it makes sense. It's
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, well done. Hence, you could have people from some I did say now Congo concept again, no, not Western concept, Congo concept. One of my sister, she was 95 years older than my mom, but very important to understand this. We share the same Kikai. See, because we share the same Kikai, we are in English we're grandson of the same Kinkai, so we are brother and sister.
Okay.
Magic. Then did you get that? Did you understand that?
Yep.
Yeah, it's possible. That's the Congo people. Oh, you done well. Thank you very much for your time. I know it's hard, but it is the best we can do for the honor of our forefathers, see? Mm. They were smart, you know. Mm. They, someone writes, the same person is the, by the way, I remember he's in the US, he's in California. He said, Kaga grandfather, yes, you are right. But we're not talking Western concept. We're talking Congo kingdom before the arrival of Western people. Can't say too much, otherwise we'll be emotional. Then, how to best? Yeah. Okay, let's say hello to Tata Tala Malongo. Hello. Oh no, I think he was saying this is Gikai, I think, I guess. Yeah, Tala Malongo. Tata Agustin, Kambote. Kambote, Tata Agustin. Okay. Kai, Kagan. Okay. Kinkai, my grandparents, yes. But, not grandparents, not grandparents. No grandparents. There is a catch there. No grandparents. What do we mean when we say Kikai? We don't mean grandparents. Full stop, no?
Mom's dad and dad's dad. Dad's
Well
dad.
done, well done, well done. Because we're done with a mom. That's a kanda. And mom's dad, we're done. Because we're looking for ladies. We just, what matters here is ladies. The Congo Kingdom, ladies. Yes. Well done, Teta, you got it. Yeah? Well done. Because see the concept, that's why translation is not good, you know. Translation, you always lose something, you know.
Yeah.
You may lose even the essence of the thing. Because if you say, man, you tell me I'm a Congo person, grandparents, what do you mean grandparents? See, Kikai, my grandparents both sides, but when you say Kikai, you only mean one side. Hence,
Dad.
you remember the where's the map? The map. I mean, when we're talking about granddad and so marrying the granddaughter. Remember that slide?
Yes.
Yes. It has nothing to do with mom's side. See,
Mm.
because the mom's side is separate. You know, we don't touch it. You get that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Kanda,
Yeah.
no. Kanda, no. Nothing at all. No, nothing to do with Kanda. That was to us by Congo. Mwakazi, it is a special person. Mwakazi is mom's brother. Usually the old brother, Mam Mwakazi.
Mm.
He has a special prerogatives. I think I explained last time when I went to my wedding, traditional wedding day. During the session, usually by law, traditional law, we give 12 packs of soft drink, 6 soft drink, then 6 alcohol. But on that day in Gwakazi, my mother-in-law in Gwakazi asked for 13. Guess what? My father-in-law was there, no power at all. See? He couldn't utter a word, you know? No. Because the power is in Gwakazi. Because lady power before feminism, you know? Congo people knew that. We should be proud of ourselves, yes. Okay, let me just put someone comments. Yeah, same thing. Tuton the Tata, Ganda, this matrix, yeah, which means the family, and with Alba Congo, the Kanda is more the side of mother. Yeah, this was me Kanda, yes. Tutondele. I'm glad that we made it. Now we are pure Congo, you know? We are
Yeah.
pure Congo.
It's going to take some more reviewing. I mean, I've always I guess I've always understood the concept. It's just when we use the term like moms, and then mom's dad, and
Mm.
it gets a little bit confusing versus just saying, I guess grandfather, or that's more direct. But no, I got it. I just have to think
Yeah, you
about it
are
a little
right.
bit more.
Last time, some people say that it's confusing when you use the English word. I mean, grandfather, because they don't know where they are. See, when you say grandfather, you don't know on mother side, other side. But if I say mom, yeah. Yeah, the same thing we're talking about the mother, brother, and your mom, and this kind, yeah? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
The mother, your mother, your mother, who is actually your family, see? Our family are Kanda, yes. According to our Congo, yeah. Any question, Tata David?
No question.
Thank you very much for your time. I think I need to make that graph to make it easy for you to understand.
Okay, that will help. Thank you.
Yeah, Tutondele. Thank you for watching. Whoever is online watching, thank you very much. This is Congo. Sadly, we lost everything, We lost everything. We lost everything. There wouldn't be a need to go to the test of genetic test to find out but if we knew our clan, we knew our name, Kanda's name, Kai name, it would be easy. I'm talking basically especially for people, our brother that went to the US. Not only US, anyone that left Africa, Tutondele, Renda Kyambote,
Nusala Kembo.
Nusa la
Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Tondele, Tondele, Tondele. Unda Makonzo, yeah.
Yeah.
Temba, Ira, Papi Salomon, Villielonga, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eli Kwayeno. Docteur Nelson Jean-René Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magua Kongo. Mambo. Memba Basagila. Zotoru Kanu.
Politiza Keita Kulama
Serge Ngodo, la Santiago.
Kinshasa, Kongo.